Motivated seller looking for an offer. Don't be afraid of Elmhurst Road. The moment you enter the 2-story foyer, you will feel right at home. Spacious open floor plan offers brick turret front with 2-story wall of windows for plenty of natural light. 2-story living room, formal dining room and large eat and kitchen overlooking family room with wood-burning fireplace. Main level 5th bedroom or office and mud/laundry room off attached garage. Upper level boasts 4 large bedrooms including master suite with private bath and his/her walk-in closets. Full finished basement offers in-law suite, wet bar, nice family room/play area, full bathroom and 2 finished rooms with walk-in closets and tons of storage. Beautiful yard offers patio, privacy and professional landscaping. Many updates include high-efficient furnace and central air in 2015, newer roof/siding doors, water heater, and downspout drainage. Enjoy this great neighborhood, top-rated schools and convenient location to MP METRA station, X-Way, parks, dining and shops. A great place to call home.